So this is the window that you find on VLabs. So go to physical sciences, basics of physics, experiments. Okay, here we are showing you how to measure the focal length of the combination of the two lenses which are separated by a distance. In your earlier classes, you must have already seen how to calculate the focal length of a given lens by using a distant object method as well as UV method. UV refers to, U refers to the object distance, V the image distance. Okay. Now let us see how you calculate this. So click on simulation. This is how your window appears. You have different buttons here. You have to click on each of them to be able to see what they are. So first turn on, then the simulator is on. Then choose optical bench, object is selected here. Place the lens A. Here plus and minus are used to increase or decrease the distances. Choose various positions of the object. Blue refers to the object here, the red refers to the image. So the distance from the optic center to the object is the object distance U, and that from the center to that of the image is the image distance V. So you can see it in this window here, a message here which says object distance is 260 centimeters. The image distance from the lens is 78 centimeters. So what you have to do is, you have to calculate the focal length using the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So object distance, what will you write here? You will write it as 260, and then the image distance is 7, 8. You can use a calculator, calculate the formula of focal length, you can put it here, or repeat it for different instances of object as well as image. You can auto calculate using this formula here. So let me take one more reading. So now the distance is 270 and 77.14. So let me record here 270 and the image distance is 77.14. 77.14. So like that you can fill up all this. Just say calculate. It will calculate the focal length in this fashion. Then reset it. Again turn off, turn on. Now it is, if you turn off, simulator is stopped. If you turn on, simulator is started. You already finished with the lens A. Now place lens B. So turn on, optical bench, object, place lens B. In the same fashion, again 5, 10, 124. So tabulate them in the table B. Table A refers to that of the lens A. Table B refers to that of the lens B. Same pattern, same fashion. You enter these object distance, image distance here, calculate the focal length. So table B is completed. Coming to the table C, once again go back, reset it, turn off. So simulator is stopped. Every time you better to turn off the simulator, turn it on again. Place the object, optical bench, place both the lenses now. So lens A, it gives you object distance from the lens A, image distance from the lens A, distance between the two lenses also, that is between this point and this point is 250 centimeters, and object distance from that of B is 171.05 centimeters, and image distance is this. Record those observations in table C. So focal length you already calculated. You already calculated the focal length of B. Distance between the two lenses also you calculated. Use this formula to calculate the focal length of the combined lenses. Okay. So this is what you do. I have already showed you here. Let me show you what I have already done. I will show you what I have already done. So let me show you.